Is this the next big thing in tech, or just another overhyped gadget? In today's video, we'll break it down, put it to the test, and find out whether it lives up to the buzz surrounding it. Keychron has built a loyal following for blending sleek design, enthusiast-grade features, and practical pricing, and the Keychron K8 continues that legacy. Priced from around $135 USD, this compact mechanical keyboard merges Hall effect magnetic switches with a familiar 80% layout, delivering an exceptional experience for both mechanical keyboard lovers and competitive gamers alike. Let's break down what makes the K8 stand out and where it still has room for improvement. Minimalist 80% layout with premium touches. The Keychron K8 sports an 80% layout, offering a balanced form factor that feels more open and spacious compared to some denser 96% keyboards. It trims off the number pad, making it a better fit for smaller desks while still retaining the essential navigation keys. The keyboard is built on a tray mount structure and also offers a special edition with elegant rosewood side panels, adding a touch of luxury and character. While you can customize your setup with different keycaps, one limitation to note is that the K8 is only sold as a pre-assembled unit. No barebones kit for those wanting to build from scratch. Build quality is solid, but some details could be improved. For instance, the USB-C port placement isn't ideal, and the included cable is a bit short for those using elevated or distant setups. Typing and gaming Hall effect magic. Where the K8 truly shines is in key feel and gaming performance. The keyboard uses Hall effect magnetic switches, a next-gen tech that offers several major advantages over traditional mechanical switches. These switches allow for deep customization. You can adjust actuation points, enabling rapid trigger, last key priority, multi-stage macros, and even analog input modes. All these features give gamers a significant edge in fast-paced titles, letting the K8 compete directly with specialized gaming keyboards without sacrificing typing feel or acoustics. The typing experience remains tactile and satisfying, offering a pleasant sound profile and comfortable keystrokes. This is a rare keyboard that manages to balance premium keystroke feel with top-tier gaming responsiveness, making it an ideal daily driver whether you're grinding ranked matches or typing up long documents. Connectivity and smart features. The Keychron K8 supports tri-mode connectivity, a stable 2.4 GHz wireless mode, Bluetooth that remembers up to 3 paired devices, and a traditional wired connection. It's compatible with Windows and Mac OS, and the system switch makes it easy to toggle between OS layouts. One of its most appealing features is the hot swappable Keychron double rail magnetic switches, letting users experiment with different switch types without soldering. It's a major plus for those who love to tinker with their keyboard feel over time. Advanced customizations, like RGB lighting, key remaps, and actuation point tuning, are handled through Keychron Launcher, a web-based software platform. While intuitive, this software does have a catch. It only works when the keyboard is connected via cable, and not all functions are accessible over wireless. A few drawbacks. Despite its many strengths, the K8 isn't flawless. For starters, the battery life is underwhelming, especially when the RGB lighting is enabled. Users who rely heavily on wireless mode may need to charge more frequently than expected. Also, while the web-based customization tool is powerful, the need to plug in for full access may feel like a step back in convenience. Verdict: a serious all-rounder for gamers and enthusiasts. At just $135, the Keychron K8 offers a rare blend of innovation and versatility. The Hall effect magnetic switches elevate gaming performance without compromising on typing satisfaction. With its compact layout, multi-platform support, and deep customization, it's an excellent keyboard for both creative professionals and competitive gamers. It's not perfect, but for the price, the K8 delivers performance and features that rival products twice its cost. Whether you're looking to upgrade your setup or dive into magnetic switch tech, this keyboard deserves a spot on your shortlist.